How's it going? It is Ed again. Today we're going to be doing some power upgrade. DC power, I think it's upgrade. Whatever. So the first step is we are going to change out the battery. There's nothing wrong with the battery I got now, except for the fact I don't like the way it looks. So I want to put a newer battery in, and I want something that I like the looks of, and I want something that's somewhat affordable. The little bumps on the batteries, that was really annoying me. I wanted one with a flat top, and those batteries are like 180 bucks. At that point, it's not much more to go with the AGM battery. So I've got this Ultima battery over at O'Reilly's, and they had like a 20% off coupon that I used to order it online, which brought the battery up to like just about $200. So for like $30 to go with the AGM battery with the red top was kind of a no-brainer for me, because the next battery down wasn't the AGM, it was a lead acid. So this is the battery I have now. The problem with this battery is it has these posts. Also the seals are going, so it's like corrosion stuff. But these posts get in the way of this bracket. So I had to get a battery without these posts. I got a red top, nice and flat for my bracket. So we're gonna put that in. And I think the red is gonna look good in here. It's gonna match the color of the car, and it's gonna match that right there. So this battery actually came out of my 2018 Frontier. It's a OEM battery. Nismo, because Nismo's cool. So I actually got new terminals, new ground wire setup. I wondered what that bottom cap was for. But yeah, it looks like this is what it's meant for. Raises the battery up. That's pretty neat. Why did I go with the red top versus like a yellow top, blue top, that sort of thing? To be honest, the red top just matches the car color better. That's why I went with red. Now, I do not like the way the terminals look on the car right now. So we're gonna upgrade the terminals and the ground wire to make it look new again. For the terminals, I just got some cheap ones off of eBay, or Amazon actually. I got some cheap ones off of Amazon. And I like these because they have a little cover on them, and they're gold, which I think is kind of neat. So same thing, power and ground, except red and black, obviously. For the ground cable, I couldn't find a brand new OEM ground cable. That's really what I wanted. So I figured I might as well upgrade to a thicker wire, and I didn't want a really long ground cable, something you get like at the auto parts store. I wanted the shortest cable I thought I could get away with. So there's a guy that makes cables, and he does make the ground cable, but it's like 30 bucks, I think, maybe 40 bucks. It's really expensive. What I did is I went to, I believe it's called Battery Cables USA. Here's a picture. And they custom make wires to order. You go in there, you select how long you want it to be. So mine, I did 8 inches from hole to hole. You choose what gauge wire you want. So I put 2 gauge. And then you select what size you want these holes. So one is going to be M8. That's going to be for this side. The other side I did M6, and that's going to be the side going to the frame of the car. It's a really nice looking cable, and this thing is less than $10. Custom made for you. Let's go ahead and install this. Okay, the side against the frame here is a 10 millimeter. I think this might be an 8. Okay, we got it out. This ground did work just fine. It's ugly. Yeah. Next, I'm just gonna place this just to get. I'm not gonna tighten it yet, just to see how I need to run the cable. Ground side's done. Let's take a closer look. There we go. That looks a heck of a lot cleaner than what I had before. And right there. So now we gotta do this side. I'm not too worried about this right here because I'm changing my amp wire to this is an 8 gauge. I'm gonna be probably changing it to like a 2 gauge maybe, because I'm going to be running a second amp, so I'm going to have to upgrade this wire anyway, and that's for a future video for the sound system. I got some things going on with that. I do want to put the positive terminal here, and I think I'm going to try and clean this up a little bit. So although it's nice and shiny, I'm still gonna spray a little bit of this on there. Normally I use a heat gun, but I'm too lazy to plug it in. Yay, we're done! I think it looks good. Let's take a look at it closer.